Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about urticaria. What causes it, how it looks like, what are the symptoms of urticaria and some general management with homeopathic remedy. First let us see what is urticaria. Urticaria is also called as hives. It is a kind of rash that leaves a red raised itchy bumps which may also burn and sting. These hives can occur anywhere on your skin. Now you might wonder what causes these urticaria. And unfortunately, in half of the cases, the cause is unknown. Some of the recognized causes includes an allergic reaction on a food or medication, an infection, prolonged pressure in your skin, stress, on contact with water, in extremes of temperature, either it is a hot or a cold temperature, exercising for more than 30 minutes, etc. In the cases of chronic urticaria, when the exact cause is unknown, then it may be due to an autoimmune reaction. That is, our immune system misinterpreting our own cells or tissues as foreign particles and attacks that by releasing inflammatory mediators and histamine, which results in the leakage of fluid from tiny blood vessels in your skin, which causes edema or swelling. Now, let's see how the urticaria looks like. It usually looks like a tiny reds in elevation, but it can become large, flat, map-like areas of elevation as well. The symptoms of urticaria includes raised itchy bumps, either red or skin colored. It may appear and disappear over a short period of time. Then there will be an blanching, which means when the rash is pressed, the center of the red rash turns white. Sometimes the bumps also burns and stings. How to manage these hives? First, you could apply a cool washcloths on your hives to reduce the itching. Next, take a lukewarm bath or shower. Don't use hot water or a scented lotions or chemical soaps because these can worsen your symptoms. After the shower, dry up yourself and apply moisturizers on your damp skin to nourish and calm it. Put on 100% cotton clothing. Avoid scratching as this will worsen the rash. How homeopathy can help in cases of urticaria. Here I will discuss few homeopathic remedies with its indications. First comes Apis mellifica. In Apis mellifica, the eruptions are red and inflamed. There is an burning and stinging pain like a bee sting. And also it is very tender to touch. The complaints worse in the afternoon and it is better by cold bathing. And it also worse from heat. When an urticaria is accompanied with restlessness, then you have to think of Arsenicum album. In Arsenicum album, the eruptions are very burning and itching in nature, and it is usually worse at seashore, and it is better from warmth. Think of Rustox and Dulcamara when the urticaria is aggravated in cold, damp weather, and better by warmth or external warmth application. In Rustox, the urticaria is accompanied with fever. In case of Dulcamara, it is accompanied with sore stomach, that is acidity of stomach. Then comes Urtica urens. In Urtica urens, it is aggravated by eating shellfish. And the lesions are red with severe itching and burning. When the urticaria is alternates with rheumatism, think of this remedy. In case of chronic urticaria, which is brought on or aggravated by exposure to sun, or after exercise, think of Natrum muriaticum. Other important homeopathic remedies for urticaria are Antimonium crudum, Antipyrenum, Astragalus, Copavia officinalis, Fragaria, Heparsol, Ledampol, etc. In homeopathy, the medicine always differs from person to person for the same complaints. So don't take homeopathic medicines without consulting a homeopath. For queries, contact us. We are happy to help you. Be healthy and be happy with homeopathy. Thank you.